Assalamu alaikum students. Fifth class, I hope you all are fine and doing your work well. Today is Wednesday, 21st April 2021. In SST class, you all learn about world geography and the first subtopic of this chapter, maps. Now we can learn about the second subtopic of this chapter, world climate. So we can start reading here. Open your book page please, 7. Weather is the day-to-day conditions of heat and cold, humidity, cloudiness, dryness or rain in any place. Climate is the weather conditions in an area over a long period of time. In first 3 lines, we just brief you that weather is the day-to-day conditions of heat and cold, cloudiness, dryness, rain in any place. क्लाइमेट इज़ द वेदर कंडीशंस इन एन एरिया ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। मतलब ये क्लाइमेट एक ऐसा वेदर है जो कि किसी भी एरिया में किसी भी जगह पर एक लंबे अरसे तक रहे। द क्लाइमेट इन डिफरेंट प्लेसेस ऑन द अर्थ इज़ नॉट द सेम। As you all know, the climate in different places on earth is not the same. A place close to the North Pole or the South Pole is very cold throughout the year. A place close to the equator is usually very hot throughout the year. In this last maps, you just learn about North Pole, South Pole and equator. Which is equator, what is North Pole and South Pole. So here they are briefing that the cold area and the hot area of the weather of the world of the weather. Effects of climate. Effects of climate मतलब कि climate के असरात. Climate has a great effect on people and the way they live. Climate also has an effect on the clothes we wear, the food we eat, and the way we outdoor and water sports. Climate has a great effect on people. क्लाइमेट का इफेक्ट क्या होता है लोगों पर एंड द वे दे लिव और जिस तरह वो रहते हैं। जैसे कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं व्हाट कैन वी वेयर इन समर, व्हाट कैन वी वेयर इन विंटर, देयर आर सम डिफरेंट ड्रेसेस, देयर आर सम डिफरेंट shoes and socks and some other kind of stuffs as you wear in different climates. So climate has great effect on people. In a warm climate, people can take part in outdoors and water sports. In summers, as you all know, there is a summer season, so we all need water sports and outdoors activities to refresh our body, to refresh our temperature. A boy dressed in warm clothes. Outdoor activities in the summer. Coastal climate is mild. In cold climates, people can still take part in outdoor sports, but they mostly prefer to stay indoors and enjoy indoor games. They can say that cold climates, people can still take part in outdoor sports. That's not mean in cold climates we cannot take part in outdoor sports and we cannot take any kind of activity in outdoor. There is also, but the people preference is to stay indoors and enjoy indoor games. And the next is a man riding a reindeer sleigh. Making snowman is a favorite activity in snowy places. In some parts of the world where there is a lot of rainfall and many trees, people use wood to make their houses. In some parts of the world, sometimes in some areas there is a lot of rainfall, like the Murray and some kind of states, some kind of cities, there is a lot of rainfall and many people use wood to make their houses. Some crops grow well in a cold climate. Crops, faslein, are in a cold climate while others grow well in a warm climate. For example, wheat grows well in milder climates and rice grows well in warm wet tropical climates. अब वीट क्या है और जो है राइस क्या है, वो क्या है कि वार्म और वेट ट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेट्स में होते हैं. दिस टू ग्रेन्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फूड ऑफ पीपल इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. As you all know, wheat and rice is most important food for us. The food habits of people depend on the crops that are grow locally. अब इसमें उन्होंने बताया है कि people depend क्या करते हैं उनकी habits का, तो वो जो ज़्यादा जिस एरिया में, जैसे कि कहीं वीट की फील्ड्स होंगी, जैसे पाकिस्तान में वीट की फील्ड्स हैं तो हम लोग रोज़ वीट ज़रूर इस्तेमाल करते हैं. हालांकि यहाँ पर राइस की भी फील्ड्स हैं तो आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि अमूमन हम वो भी खाने में इस्तेमाल कर रहे होते हैं ज़्यादातर। तो जिन जगहों पे जिस चीज़ की ग्रोथ ज़्यादा लोकली होती है और वो चीज़ वहाँ पर ज़्यादा खाई जाती है। अब यहाँ पर आपको दिखाया गया राइस पैडी फील्ड्स एंड वीट फील्ड्स। सो बेटा जो वीट फील्ड्स है वो माइल्डर क्लाइमेट्स में होती है और जो राइस है वो वेट ट्रॉपिकल क्लाइमेट्स में। सो बेटा अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है इसको समझने में तो आप मुझसे दोबारा पूछ सकते हैं। देयर इज़ अ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, इन व्हाट वेज डज द क्लाइमेट अफेक्ट आवर लाइव्स? Climate affects how we live, the house we live in, the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and the way we spend our time indoors and outdoors. Students, you write this question on your neat notebooks of SST and read this and learn these answers. Thank you so much. This is your homework. You just learn it out. And write your index like world climate question answer. And the topic and also the topic is world climate question answer. Yeah, question number 1. Okay, thank you.